Stockholm, Sweden is fully snowy. This is the view just outside of my kitchen and my living room. Still, I don't know whether you can identify. There's a man behind the tree and he is traveling, still walking into here. Here he is. Here, the black spotted man with the black coat and black dress. He is traveling, and this is blizzardous and entirely snowy, windy, and extremely chilly cold. So I would like to also I would like to actually why I was doing or I was just initially stammering or murmuring like that because I was about to open the window. See, here's the window lock, and I am about to open the window. So, this is all about. Here, my window is fully snowy. Here, I could show, and this is the window outside, which is decorated with snows. Inside, there's the Coca-Cola bottle, all the water bottles, and this is my keychain. But I could show that it is extremely super cold and chilled winter. So anybody who would like to come to Scandinavia are most welcome and most awaited trip to Europe, Scandinavia, and we are there to welcome you people. So here it is extremely cold and all the trees have shed their leaves because this is the cold time, and the leaves, they shed themselves. They can't just bear this cold, but still you can see the standing trees, they are bearing with this extremely chilly cold. See, few people and man, they have been out, but still entirely it is absolutely breezy, and this is what snow blizzard is. Very harmful, very active, very careful to be, but yet a feeling of difference. People spend money to see this, and staying here, it's a bliss. Again, it's tough life. Life is difficult, but with difficulties, yet about to enjoy. Here the balcony, and the balcony is fully white. These are the places at Stavangårdgatan, and 48 Stavangårdgatan is my home address, where I could show you people that it is extremely windy with snows. Everywhere it is all about snow. And if you all feel like to enjoy this, then you have to wear 10 to 15 or more than that 20 to 25 kg of a single weight jacket, and that would maybe be a safer one to make you put you out or let you be in the snow to enjoy it. So this is all about the Scandinavian countries, especially Stockholm, Sweden. This is the latest update, and now it is about to be, it feels like minus 21 or 22nd. It might go around to minus 25 or minus 30s. So awaited and willing to see how cold can be a bliss and blessedful. So grateful to see it into our own eyes. Here's the window is open, and here is the snow. Yes, I'm waiting. I waited long for my husband because today is the day, Wednesday, and he is back to office, and I'm waiting all alone here at home. Full of tension and feeling like super cold and breezy. How he will be back home, I don't know, maybe by God's grace. So waiting for him ahead. So let you people enjoy the snow. If any queries and questions, please do not forget and hesitate to write me back. Alright, bye bye and take care all of you. Wishing good day and good luck. Bye and happy evening from here, Stockholm, Sweden, and happy night ahead from India as well. Bye.